There isn't a lot of news or developments on the home garden this month, as I have been concentrating on the allotment.
We're in the last week of May and the kale and sprouting broccoli have gone to seed. They're flowering profusely, and if I can catch one, the bees are absolutely going bonkers in these. They're absolutely loving it. The Swiss chard is also going to seed now. Yeah, I'm just harvesting the last of the chard leaves before I pull it out. The gooseberry bush is doing great. It's setting fruit. So we should have some gooseberry crumble ready in the next few weeks. I've still got some in the freezer from last year, and I've still got some gooseberry jam from last year, so I better start eating quick.